Hi boys and girls, I'm making this video just in case you wanted to use objects to show your word problems instead of drawing the pictures. So I'm going to quickly just go through what the word problems were on each one and show you how you can build the picture with some objects and then write your equation. So our first one talked about having 6 pigs on a farm and 3 pigs leaving. So what we can do is we can use objects around our house. And we can show that we had 6 pigs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on our picture we can show how 3 of them left. And that would give us just 3 pigs left on the farm. So when you take your picture, you can just separate them. And then you can write your equation. 6 take away 3 equals 3. And I see that you took some away. Now on your addition problems, the next one was talking about chickens. 8 chickens were on the farm and 2 more came to play. So again, we're going to have our 8 chickens. And we're going to count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 8 chickens on the farm, and then 2 more chickens came to play. So look, we're going to add those over here. So we had 8 chickens, we added 2 more chickens, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chickens. So boys and girls, if you would rather show pictures instead of drawing the pictures, you can definitely build it with things that you have around your house.